Speaking of electric vehicles, Elon, he's not doing any tank turns, but he's doing his own version of it by mentioning right around Christmas as well that they're going to add Disney Plus to the vehicles, to all the vehicles. Now, I haven't been following this particular thing very carefully. I don't own a Tesla, but apparently their entertainment setup is really widely used. It's a very important part of the vehicle experience. And part of the reason is because of the way you charge these things. It takes some time. So you can imagine you hit up a supercharger. You got a few minutes to yourself here. You got this nice big monitor right there. You want to kind of throw a little something on there. Watch a little something. It's connected.
Yeah.
You don't have to. You're hunched over your phone all the time. Plus, the monitor is connected to a nice sound system. So you have yourself an experience while you're waiting for the charge. Kind of makes sense. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's one of those van life things, except you live in the Tesla. Now you got a high-tech entertainment system.
There you go.
I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
So they add Disney Plus, and they've been really aggressive at improving this in-vehicle entertainment. They've added Netflix relatively recently. YouTube is on there. You can watch Unbox Therapy on a nice sound system. And just before Christmas, the latest software update threw Twitch on there into Tesla Theater, which is their entertainment setup. And then now they're saying we're going to put Disney Plus on there as well. Now, look, this probably isn't that complicated to support all these various services. All these services exist on other platforms. You can get them on iOS. You can get them on Android. And I'm not really sure how closely related Tesla's OS is to something like Android, but you have to assume they make it relatively easy for this software to find its way onto their in-car systems. So it sounds to me, for the time being, that they have a pretty significant advantage in the entertainment department when you look at that roster of things that you could potentially watch. Now, the question goes to you, Will. You're sitting, you're charging. Which Tesla are you getting? A Model 3? If you have to get one, probably get a Model 3.
Probably the 3 because it's a nice interior. It's the most futuristic looking.
Okay, so here you are. You got the Model 3. You're road tripping. You're going to your sister's place for some dinner. I don't know.
Yeah.
An event.
Yeah.
You're road tripping, and you got to hit the supercharger. So you pull in, and you plug in, and you sit back down in the driver's seat. Here's your option. You got a couple of games on there you could play. You got Netflix, YouTube, you got Disney Plus, and you got Twitch. What are you going to load up for your 20, 30 minutes you're sitting there?
Probably watch Netflix, Irishman.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. Very specific, but...
if you go for The Irishman on Netflix, that's going to serve you for 10 different charges.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You just keep catching up a little bit.
Yeah.
Every time you hit the super, because on the way there, maybe on the way back, you're going to be able to do it in segments.
Yeah, yeah.
Because to be clear, for those that don't know, that's like 3.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 3.5. Yeah. And I haven't watched it yet, unfortunately, so I definitely got to go do that. Anyway, it's cool. And increasingly, the entertainment system and the display sizes in cars has become an important characteristic. And of course, what you can put on those displays also has to become an important characteristic.